First ball straight to the field. First ball wicket early. Local committee അംഗം സഖാവ് ഷബിനെയും വേദിയിലേക്ക് ക്ഷണിക്കുന്നു. Nicely done. Beautifully done. Nice delivery. Nicely bowled. Another dot. Nicely done. It is into the block hole once again. Very good over comes to an end. 2 runs and a wicket. Beautifully bowled. Smooth execution. Again, a scintillating delivery. Nicely bowled. Hot delivery. Receiving the man of the match award. And a trophy given by CPIM. Nicely bowled. Good start. Beautifully done once again. Nicely bowled. Beautiful delivery once again, trying to steal a single, sent back from the bowler himself. Full toss. Nicely played, straight to the field. This time it is even better. That is a wicket. Yes, it is. Up goes the finger. Straight up in the air. Fielder coming under it, and the catch is taken. Shot. That's a much-needed hit for JAS THALASSERY. First ball hits hard and it is straight to the field. Nicely bowled. And is up in the air, catch against the goal, and it still travels a distance. Excellent effort from hot delivery. That's right in the block hole. It is a wicket, in fact. Wow. That goes up above the wicket keeper. Will steal a single, trying to come back for 2. And it is an easy run out at the striker's end. So 41. But managed to put on the board after First ball, full toss. Hits it for the boundary. Good start.
100 വരണം കാർഡ് കളിക്കണം എന്ന് എല്ലാവരും പറയുന്നു.
Again, a wild swing. Similarly, that's up in the air and straight down the ground. Hot delivery. Well played, but they'll only get a single for that. Nicely bowled, good start, only a single conceded. Straight up in the air, fielder coming under it and the catch is taken cleanly. Again, right in the block hole. Shot, but not good enough. Beautifully bowled. Once again, that is an absolute piece from the bowler of 3 overs. Full toss, missed out. Top ball to start. That's hit straight towards long on, single. That will be a wide. Swing and a miss. Once again, it's a change of pace up. That will be a wicket. Yes, sir. It is a third one going down. What an over this has been from Once again, it's a swing and a miss. What an over. An over of. And it is the Rafi. Good shot, but only for a single. This is a testing time. Nicely played. It is a no ball that can be vital. Again, it's up in the air, but it is a free hit. Again, it's a no ball. Good shot. And it is a 6. Again, that's been hit hard, but this time straight to the field. Rafi gets his man. Third wicket. Oh, that's the hits amongst the fielders. That's a wicket. Is that the 4th wicket for Rafi? Looks on this man. First ball right. Again will come in handy. Shot. And this is what experience can do to you. He's cool and be defenders. Oh, how did that one? Good shot. But potential delivery. Another slower, that is excellent execution. That is a full toss. In fact, there is a no ball. Pressure back on the bowler. Oh, that is beautifully bowled. And that is it. That's all done and dusted. Amazing victory for JAS Thalasseri.